A surgical team at UNC Hospitals has successfully performed corneal neurotization, a procedure to treat neurotrophic keratitis, NK, a rare eye condition that causes loss of sensation in the cornea and can lead to permanent vision loss if left untreated. NK occurs when the nerves innervating the cornea are damaged due to factors like trauma, infectious diseases, or brain surgery, leading to unhealthy corneas. The corneal neurotization procedure involves transferring a nearby healthy nerve to the damaged cornea to restore its sensation. This surgical treatment can prevent and even reverse vision loss. The UNC team is the only one in North and South Carolina and Virginia performing this procedure. NK affects 5,000 to 10,000 people in the United States and can result in severe vision impairment or even the removal of the affected eye in the most severe cases.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.